or pupunta tayo sa Moto Market Makati, what I can do for myself is find an inner armor. So ito yung nasa loob ko susuotin, then after that is itong jersey dito. Ayan. Alright, ito guys, so yung tinasabi ko. So ito yung inner protector, meron sila LS2. So check natin yan, no? Try ko. Yan. Oh, meron tayo. Yeah, thank you. Okay na. Boss, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Yan. Quick shout out and thank you dyan sa staff ng Moto Market Makati. Hanggang dito na lang. Once again, Full Tank Motovlog here. Enjoy the ride. Stay safe and ride smart. See you guys sa next vlog ko. Bye for now.